Today we'll talk about how can you reset cache on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on preferences, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you come here to reset cache, just click on it. Then here you click on yes, then it's going to reset with you on yours app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.